Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to talk quiet because Matt's downstairs, but I just did something really exciting. I really hope he can't hear me. But we have been trying to get a Switch since March, since the pandemic started, and we couldn't ever get one that was like reasonably priced. They were always sold out in Canada. And then a few weeks ago, I jokingly said I still wanted one, and Matt was like, oh my god, yes, let's get one. So I decided to surprise him, and he has no idea because we kind of haven't talked about it since. There's stock everywhere, but I finally got one at Walmart, and it should be here. I'm really sad I wanted to get one on Prime, but it should get here on Wednesday, which is pretty far away, but still. So I'm really excited. Welcome to the vlog. It's gonna be so fun. I'm sorry, you might have to turn up the volume to listen to this, but I'm so excited. Okay, I also really want to get this game, but I think that you can just buy the games on it. God, wow, we got a good deal on it. Okay. I can't contain my excitement. I'm pretty sure the next time I talk to you guys will be Wednesday, unless it gets here sooner. I just came to Walmart and they have it in stock, so I'm just gonna pick it up now, but I can't decide what games I want to get. There's so many. I'm gonna get Crash though, for sure. Oh my god, there's so many games, I don't know what to get. I think I'm gonna get Crash, and then maybe they have Kirby. Oh my god, and they have Yoshi, and they have Donkey Kong. Okay. Guys, well, obviously you saw from the previous clip that we ended up securing the bag today, which is so exciting. They ended up having one in store when I did my groceries. So I'm gonna go home and unbox this for you guys. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait. I have no idea how I'm gonna surprise them with it yet, but we'll figure it out. But let's go home. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, it is actually the next day. You guys are probably confused because I said chat with you guys on Wednesday, but I knew I was gonna have to go out and do groceries today, so I checked one more time this morning. And Matt's watching TV downstairs, and I don't want him to come up and hear this, so I'm talking quiet again. So I was able to grab it in store today, and then they just told me that when my curbside pickup is ready, which was supposed to be on Wednesday, if I just don't pick it up, the order will get canceled. So I picked it up, I snuck it into the house in this bag, and I'm so excited. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is this. I feel like I'm going to be reliving my childhood. I'm so excited because Super Monkey Ball and Crash Bandicoot were my childhood games. I am so excited right now. I'm so excited. If you guys didn't know, my boyfriend is an ICU nurse and he's had a lot of COVID patients lately, and we have a really tough decision to completely isolate from both of our families just for everyone's safety, and it's been really hard on us. But I just wanted to do something to cheer him up and tell him how much I love him. I really hope he's not like here. I just wanted to do something to tell him how much I love him and how much I care about him, and it's obviously for the both of us, not just for him, but I'm so excited. So I only got one game, like the actual game, just because I figured we can get the rest of them digitally, and Walmart didn't have a lot of stock on games anyways. But you guys, we have been trying to get this since March. Stella, do you understand how exciting this is? Do you understand how exciting this is? This is so exciting. Okay, so this is just like the standard one. Just the standard one. It's not limited edition. It doesn't carry any games or anything. It's not a bundle. It's just the good old standard one, 2020 edition. It's the newest one. These are all the things it comes with. I'm obviously not a tech YouTuber. I've said this before in my MacBook unboxing, so this is not a very techy review. I'm so excited. Let's just open her up. I don't really ever know what the best angle to do this is, but I switch it so you guys can just see me opening it. I have the box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Are you guys even ready for this? I'm not. Oh my freaking god, it's so beautiful. Okay, so we have, I'm just gonna take this out, this piece, and then it comes with like all the instructions and stuff. So toy sticks in it. Like I said, we just got the original one. They just come out like this and like this, and then we got this piece, which I'm assuming just kind of comes out. Oh yeah, it just comes out like this, And then you would just attach everything on the other side. This is what she looks like. Very exciting. What do we have in this thing? Oh, cutie, a little controller. Nice. We have all the cords and stuff for, like, you know, the TV. I literally have no idea how any of this works. And then, oh, we have some straps, I think. I think these are straps for the joysticks. I'm really trying to not say any of this too loud, but we have some of these. And then I'm assuming this is for, I think that this goes with this. I think it's the, I don't know, but let's unbox it. Oh yeah, okay, this is like the home thing for it. I literally don't know any tech terms, you guys, but I'm assuming this is like the home for it. So I put everything back in here, and then we're gonna surprise him, and then we'll like film a whole setup thing. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I haven't decided yet. Maybe I should just like leave it on her bed or something. I don't know. I told him that I needed help. Yeah. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
Hi.
Okay, walk forward. No, close your eyes. Put your hands out. You can open your eyes.
Oh fuck. What did you buy? What did you buy? Oh my god. Stella.
Because
Oh my god. Why?
now we're not going to be bored.
Do you want me to set it up for you so you can play Crash Bandicoot?
No, it's for us.
I know, but do you want to play?
Well, we can set it up together.
Oh my god, you're crazy. Why the? Why?
Alrighty, guys, we're gonna set this up now. I don't even know how, but I'm sure it can't be hard. A whole instruction manual, and guys, it's right. It's on the box, Matt.
I know it's really.
It says 1, plug it in. 2, set it up. All right, that's easy. Does it say batteries? This is the best present for us I've ever bought us. Oh, that's actually a nice color. I thought they were gonna be like really ugly blue and red.
No.
They're really nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this out. Oh my god, this is gonna be so satisfying. Ready? Oh, look, you can see the fire. I saw Super Monkey Ball at Walmart. I literally almost shit my pants, Matt. I thought that game was existent. And then you had never played it, so I was like, great, I have to buy that. Because you can play that 2-player. No. It was... It's bigger than I thought. Wow. It's doing its thing. I think you have to take it off the thing. I think we're the Americas. And I already made us an account. Toronto.
It's already done.
It should be my office. My childhood. Oh my gosh, this is my child. We are stocked up with games.